Hey guys, what's up? One half of the Caper couple back, and today I'm back to just show you guys that I finally got a new camera in the mail. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys, and I will possibly later on film a little something with it and add it to this video just to show you the type of quality this has. But guys, this is called a Fimi Palm. It came from China through Banggood. Cost was $300. It's supposed to be a killer camera. Now, I don't know what the audio is going to be like on windy days because I haven't got the adapter for it yet. And I'm not exactly sure when that's going to be here. It may not be here for another month, guys. Well, they sure make the... Okay, there's why. I was trying to open it wrong. Okay, so this is made by Xiaomi. And it's called Fimi Palm. But you get your instruction booklet. Charge cable. And the camera, guys. It's weirdly packaged. Just trying to get it out here. Weird packaging around it. Wow, it's not easy to get out. Go. So here you go, guys. There's the size of the camera. You can see toward my hand, and it's got a gimbal cover on it. So we'll take that cover off. It doesn't come off. It just slides off. Look at that. Isn't that neat? That is something else. So okay, it comes with absolutely no charge in it whatsoever, guys, so I have to charge it up, and then we'll give it a hook. You see how it has a little joystick on it? That's a you can scroll the camera yourself with that stick, but pretty decent, eh? And it has a little little screen in it so you can watch what you're filming. So it's supposedly a great camera, guys, and it's reviews say that it's better than DJI's Osmo Pocket, which is supposedly the best camera on the market until this came out. So with that being said, I'll let you guys go, and I'll charge it up, and I'll catch you back in a bit. Peace. So guys, one sec. Sorry about the darkness. There, how's that? So to continue on, I did the opening, the unboxing, and it's an awesome little camera, guys. I mean, even for the audio is on board until I get the bass comes in, but this camera is just amazing. There you go, it's activating as it turns on. The gimbal spins around and such, and here's what you see on the screen, guys. So the cool thing about this is when I'm out doing a vlog, I can just tap the little red button 3 times and it'll spin around towards me, so I don't have to spin the camera itself, which is pretty cool, right, guys? So just like that, camera's on me. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back, and sorry it took a couple of days to finish this video off, but we're getting at it today. And we actually took this Fimi Palm camera out. We filmed down in the north end of the island, Made a couple of videos with it. Those videos you'll see, and we're going to actually be switching back to the GoPro with the external mic until the base of this camera comes in the mail. Now, I'm not going to say this camera's a bad camera. It films awesome, guys. It just doesn't have the greatest onboard audio, which you guys will see in those upcoming videos, so we apologize now for the audio. There's nothing we can do about it. We had to get home and test what we filmed before we could see what it was like outdoors. I should have actually took it outside around here, tested it out in the wind and stuff before we went filming with it, but it's a lesson learned. So with that being said, it still is a great camera, guys. You won't believe the quality that it films with for 4K 30 frames a second. We will be using it in the future again with the attachment when it comes, but I'm pretty sure I won't have it till late August, maybe early September, as it's coming from China. China mail is very slow. So, like I say, I still recommend this camera. It's a great camera for the price. It's actually awesome quality. If you're filming indoors, guys, the audio is not too bad. What you'll see right now, you'll hear this. This is it filming it, so you'll see what it's all about. Camera actually has face track and everything, as you can see. I'm turning the camera and it's tracking my face. It's keeping me in center frame. So, yeah, we just apologize about future videos with it. There's probably 2, maybe 3 of them that we filmed. And you'll see that's down the north end of the island. So, with that being said, guys, I still recommend this camera to purchase. It's a great camera. Has all kinds of filming options from 1080p up to 4K. So I guess we'll end it here, guys, and subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Make sure your notifications are on. Leave us that like. And until the next time.